today we are going to be opening this egg. It's a big egg. We don't.
Wow, it's a big egg,
Yeah.
Ved.
It's a big egg.
Where did you find this egg?
We found it at this amazing place called Walmart.
Wow, it's a big. What do you think? What inside it, Arvi?
I think I have rainbow unicorn.
Rainbow unicorn. What about
I
Ved?
think it's some more. I think it's just the egg.
Egg? Okay. What about you, Adi?
There's a dinosaur inside.
Dinosaur inside it? Let's check, guys.
Okay, I'm ready to step.
What's your in hand, Ved? What's in your
hammer?
Okay.
Arvi, inside. No, wait. Let Arvi check inside. Yeah, Arvi puts it inside like this. Arvi, look, put it like you put it like that. You scrape it or something.
Are you guys helping Arvi?
Yeah. Hey, Arvi,
Okay.
you scratch it. Ready, let Arvi scratch it. Okay, Arvi, you scratch it and then it's my turn. Okay? I will hit it hard.
Let's check what inside it.
Oh my god. Oh, Arvi, my turn? Mine. Yeah. Thank you. So, Arvi, it's my turn now? So, we smash it like that. Oh, yes. Thing. Okay.
No, like
Okay, Addie's gonna...
omelet, 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 omelet.
No more
Dang
omelet.
it.
Let's turn it.
It's hard, Ved?
Yeah.
It's super hard?
No, not super
It's
hard.
super hard,
It's just...
probably.
It's... My turn.
It's
It's super hard.
It's super duper hard to dig. It's not super duper hard. It's just like, it's not even hard. It's not even easy. It's medium.
Okay, my turn. My turn to use the hammer.
It's
Okay, it's Adi's turn now. It's closed to open? Not yet.
Oh, look, it's making such a cool sound. It sounds so perfect. My turn.
You are close, guys?
Yes. Yeah, we're close.
It's hard?
Yeah. Now, or if you want to switch items, so then you can hit it harder. Yeah. I'll have the stick.
Now Arvi's turn, right, Arvi?
So, look, guys, look. We did this much already. So much. We did this much. We did a lot. It's, ow. Look, it's, we just need to get in the core.
I've been digging. Wait,
I found something.
there's green.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
green. There's green. There's green.
What
There's
is that?
green there.
So
There has to be
I'm-
green.
There is something. We are close. We are very close, right?
Yeah, so you do it, because it'll scrape.
Yeah, let
we
me
scrape it.
I'll do it.
We scrape it. After that, it's going to be me.
We are very close, right?
Oh my god. Let me show it to the camera. Show it. Hi, this, we're gonna make it all wet. We're gonna get...
We made it
wet?
water because it's one of those toys where you have to do it more watery to make it like softer.
Softer, okay.
We found... Oh, it's so soft.
So many colors.
Mommy, look how soft it is.
something
It's
is
so
here.
soft. It's so soft. I think it's rainbow.
Yeah, there's something inside.
knew it.
Break.
What
Don't
is
try and break the toy.
It's so soft. The time to do this thing. Wait, no. Oh, more parts. Is that more parts? Oh. Okay, who else?
So my turn.
I mean, look, that's the tail or something. And then Adi's gonna impale it. I'm sure. Okay, Arvi, now let Adi do it. You want? Oh, its head. If I just do that. Okay. See? Oh, it's the unicorn head. Oh no! It's her. Unicorn.
Oh, what's...
Sorry.
Oh, what inside? It's look like
A unicorn. It's a unicorn.
unicorn. Arvi, you are right. Be careful, Adi and Ved and Arvi. Be careful, guys.
See, putting it in water was a good idea.
Daddy, give it to me. Please.
Thank
It's summertime. Wait, no, I forgot this. This does. You will come and do it. Get it out, Rain. I gotta get that unicorn. Oh, I bet I can. I can do it. I got it. You see? I
What inside the egg?
A unicorn. Wow.
Oh wow.
So beautiful. So colorful.
Unicorn. Oh, cute, very cute.
I knew it.
Wow, why it's pretty like you. It's unicorn is pretty, right?
Yeah. It's so pretty.
Yay, unicorn.
The unicorn is so pretty like me.
Yes, show us. Yay, unicorn, please.
Like and subscribe our channel.
Bye. Bye bye.